Hi folks, this is Max from TransformerPrimeRoot.com, your favorite Android personality on YouTube, I hope. I'm trying. Anyway, let's go install ClockworkMod Recovery. To install ClockworkMod Recovery, you will have to have a rooted Transformer Prime. This method is using a rooted version. Why not? I mean, if you're going to install ClockworkMod Recovery, you might as well root it. And also, you should have it rooted. And go to Settings and make sure under Developer Options. Okay, make sure USB debugging is checked on like that. If not, make sure it's checked on. And then connect it to your computer via the ASUS cable provided to your USB on your computer. And this method should work on Mac, Linux, or Windows. I'm going to show you method using Windows, but it should work fine on Mac and Linux because I've included Mac and Linux ADB. The ADB Mac, I'm not sure it might work. You might want to download it again for SDK if it doesn't work, but it should work, I think so. So let's do this. Next, go download Transformer Prime CWM right there. .zip. If you unzip it, you'll get a bunch of files. You use ADB Linux, ADB-Mac for Linux and Mac. Otherwise, you can use ADB. Open up a command terminal. Command prompt cmd_start search for Windows. If you don't know how, please Google it. How to open a command prompt on Google, they will tell you. Or you can open up a terminal in Linux or Mac. It should be pretty easy. And then type cd desktop / sorry, this is the opposite slash of this. I do this on every one of my videos. Maybe I should. This is a Korean font for /, which is a W symbol. It looks like a W, but it's actually a dollar symbol for Korean won currency. You can go look it up on Wikipedia if you'd like. Anyway, let's find the folder where I put it to. So I put it in, not on my desktop, so go to cd / Transformer Prime CWM like that, or wherever you put the files to. You know, if you don't know how to use CD, you can try Googling it too. Should be pretty easy to learn. So once you're in this directory, we're gonna type some stuff. So first, let's type ADB devices, and you should see device. If you don't have this installed, you should install the drivers first. But if you root it using the methods at TransformerPrimeRoot.com, you should have it installed. And I also have an instruction on how to install drivers over at TransformerPrimeRoot.com, so check that out if you don't have device drivers installed. So once you've got that done, we can go ahead and type ADB push blob space file space I don't know, oops, blob oops. You can use actually ADB space push space. You can use the tab to find the different files in your folder without typing it, or you can type tfp_cmw5_ androidroot.blob. This is a blob file we're gonna flash. We're gonna actually push it to the data local directory of your Transformer Prime and hit enter. And I'll have this written out on my blog post when I write it later. And you should get something like that. It's been done. And type ADB shell. This will get you into shell. And type SU to get super user access. And you should have something like a £. That means you have super user access. And next we're gonna type some stuff. I'm actually gonna copy and paste. dd space if. This basically is gonna write the blob file we've pushed to the data local directory of Transformer Prime into that block, which is the recovery block of your Transformer Prime, and this will install ClockworkMod Recovery. Oh, sorry. You know what? You're actually supposed to put all that instead of the blob file. tfp_cwm. Make sure you copy it exactly because it's case sensitive. _androidroot.blob and enter. There you go. It worked this time. And now you have ClockworkMod Recovery. go get yourself 6 bottles of beer and finish it, because you are in business. Anyway, let's go enter it now. So here's how to enter ClockworkMod Recovery once you've installed it. Just hold down the volume down and the power button together at any time, and wait until your ASUS Transformer Prime reboots. It will reboot because you're holding down the power button and the volume down, and you'll see this screen, little letters here in white, and you've got to go let go immediately and hit volume up immediately, like that, and that will enter you into ClockworkMod Recovery right there. That's what it looks like. There you go. You catch it. And there's how you get into ClockworkMod Recovery, and you can make backups, restorations, and also you can install new ROMs. So enjoy it. I think that's all for today, and see y'all later, folks. And hit that like button for me. Alright, see y'all later.